A 1-minute tip here on finding mixed voice. We're going to take ooh as in head voice, ooh. Then we're going to take EH, a pharyngeal nasal sound, like that. And I want you to notice the pressure difference or the compression, the threshold of where you're feeling that pressure. The first one should be here, ooh. The next one should be here. Mixed voice exists up here. There's a pressure difference, compression difference. Make sense? So, ooh. We're just moving from one to the other. We're trying to shift. But that will create the seamless connection. This compression point up here will create a seamless connection, which is mixed voice. But you notice I'm not doing crazy things with my neck veins, and I'm not putting a whole bunch of pressure or support or anything. It's just that compression point. Hope that helps.